Hey guys, it's Rock Knight making another Blender 3D easy tutorial, and we will be making super easy apples today. So let's start Blender. We don't need the cube, so we will just delete it. Shift A, bring in a UV sphere. Tap to go to the edit mode. Select the top vertex, turn on proportional editing, press GZ. We will now be making the top of the sphere flat, just like that. Now again, GZ, reduce the circle of influence. We need something like this. Yeah, it's good now. And if this is just a game asset or just some apples in a scene, nobody will be noticing the bottom. But if you still want to adjust it, you can simply repeat the same process. It's nothing fancy. Back to object mode. Now for the stem, press Shift A, bring in a circle, segments to 12. GZ to take it up, and now scale it down. Turn on X-ray and switch wireframe view. Bring the stem piece down right about here. Now E to extrude, R to rotate a bit, then extrude again. Yeah, it's looking good. Nah, it's a bit big. I will be scaling it down. Yeah, something like that. I think I should adjust it a bit more. Now for the cap, shift select to select all the top vertices, then E to extrude and S to scale it down. Extrude and then scale again. Now press M to merge. Select edge center. Now right click and select shade smooth for both of them. As you can see, the top of the stem looks soft. We can easily fix it. Back to edit mode, Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Drag it to the very top and see, now it totally looks better. You can say way better. Select the stem and then the apple. Ctrl P to make the apple paint into the stem, so it's easy to move. Now go to the shading tab, click on new, select the principled node, and then press Ctrl Shift T. Now select the textures which you have already saved on your hard drive. The link to the texture I'm using will be in the description. Select the color, height, normal and roughness textures, and then click on principal texture setup. You can see the apple is totally looking amazing right now, and it wasn't hard, totally not hard to make. So I won't be doing anything else. And for the stem, just select it, click on new, Shift A. We will bring in a noise texture this time and a color ramp. Connect factor to factor and color to color. For the black, I will be changing it to something green. And for the white, something dark brown. Scale to 20, I guess, or maybe a little lower. Detail to 5. I think I should be making it a bit more darker. It's not looking too good, but now we will bring in a bump node. Connect color to height, normal to normal. It's an overkill. I'm just gonna reduce the strength to 0.2. Yeah, it's much better now. Okay, one apple is done. For the other one, Shift D to duplicate, and I actually select both the stem and the apple and then Shift D to duplicate. Now select the apple, click on 2 to make the material unique. Now Shift A, bring in a color ramp. I will be changing black color to green. And the white, I will be changing it to yellow. I love the look, but you can play with the sliders. Go for the look you love the most. And if you want to download the 3D model, it will be available on Gumroad for just $1. And if you want to support me, you can join me on my YT support Patreon, and the Patreon will be getting stuff for free from time to time. It's just a support group. Well, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Give a thumbs up and a comment if you did. Well, see you soon in my next video. Take care. Happy blending.